Welcome, Daily Current Affairs Bulletin, Winners Academy. Summits. The 36th Asian Summit held in Vietnam. The 36th Asian Association of Southeast Asia Nations Summit was held via video conferencing on 26 June 2020 in Hanoi, Vietnam. It was held under the chairmanship of Vietnamese Prime Minister Nguyen Xuan Phuc. The theme of the summit was Cohesive and Responsive ASEAN. It was earlier scheduled to be held in April 2020 but was postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. App. NADA app launched for the athletes. National Anti-Doping Agency's first mobile app has been launched by Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju. It will provide information about prohibited substances and their use which may affect the career of athletes. The app aims to create a bridge between athletes and the NADA by providing easily accessible information on various aspects of sports. Appointment. Guðni Jónasson, President of Iceland. Incumbent President of Iceland, Guðni Jónasson, won his second 4-year term in the presidential election. Jónasson was re-elected with a 92% of the popular vote, the second largest win in Icelandic presidential election. Presidents in Iceland are elected through direct popular vote. Amendment. Amendment in Indian Stamp Act 1899. Amendments in the Indian Stamp Act 1899 brought through the Finance Act 2019 and rules made thereunder will come into effect from 1st July 2020. It will enable states to collect stamp duty on securities market instrument at one place by one agency through one instrument. Agreement. India-Bangladesh form 50-50 JV company. India and Bangladesh have signed an agreement for the formation of 50-50 joint venture company for LPG business in Bangladesh. It will help reduce the cost of import of LPG and make affordable for consumers in the Bangladesh. Vaccine. India's first COVID-19 vaccine. India's first COVID-19 vaccine has been approved for human trials. This makes it India's first domestic company to get the green light. The Drug Controller General of India has approved the company's application to conduct Phase 1 and 2 clinical trial for Covaxin, which was developed along with the Indian Council of Medical Research, National Institute of Virology. Park. India's first lichen park in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand Forest Department has developed India's first lichen park in Kumaon's Munsiari, Pithoragarh district. These Jurassic-era lichen species are used in food, perfumes, dyes, and traditional medicines. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel, share, like, follow, comment, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification.